There can be other sources of big data. Some other sources, let's briefly mention the grid analytics. We usually run several analytics at the control center, and nowadays with state-of-the-art processors, high refresh rate of the measurements, we are able to run these analytics. For example, stability assessment, security assessment, contingency analysis, state estimation. This can be done with the PME measurements. It can be done in milliseconds for a large system, right? So what it signifies, if you are able to, for example, complete your state estimation in milliseconds, that means you are generating the bus voltage phasor data every few milliseconds for the entire system. That also is a significant amount of data, right? So not only those measurement devices, AMI, etc., or the solar PV inverters, it's the analytics also are generating a huge amount of information that can be used, right? Market data, we have now, this with the real-time market mechanism, the volume of information that we have to deal with from the market, that also is increasing. And these are typically the data that we have to deal with: generation, load, price of electricity, etc., right? Not only that, regulatory and policy information, market participation data. Weather information is another another source of data which are going to play havoc with the big data scenario. For example, if you are dynamically changing the rating of dynamic line rating, almost in real time, you have to keep track of your weather data, because all of these weather conditions inflict significant changes to your operating condition or real-time line rating, right? So there are weather monitoring devices which, again, keeps on sending data. On top of it, we also have data from asset inventory, condition monitoring data. Some of your critical equipment, for example, power transformers, can be continuously monitored. So that monitoring data also comes to the control center, right? We are increasingly at the hands of cyber hackers, so-called. So we have to be, the utilities have to keep track of cyber security events or logs. That also may generate a significant amount of data. You will be surprised to know the amount of cyber attacks or the frequency of cyber attacks usually utility receives. So that can be a very significant amount of information.